Good morning, students. It's Mrs. Vassar, and I'm going to show you today how to use the Google Draw tool. Now, it's going to look a little different because I am doing this screencast off of my MacBook Pro, and you guys will be using the Chromebooks. However, I think you guys are going to do just fine. So first, down in the corner of your Chromebook, you should see a little blue icon like this, your Google Docs. And when you tap on it, it'll go ahead and open up for you. Once it opens up, you'll see all of your documents are going to appear. I have a ton. You guys should have at least a copy of Google Docs tools, a couple other things. We're going to come down here to the plus mark. It's a blue circle with a white plus. It says create new document. We're going to tap on that document. Then you're going to open up to a brand new blank document. This is just where I want you to be. You're going to come up to where it says Untitled Document. We are going to click it to rename it. So I'm going to click on it, and then it's going to ask me what I want it to rename it. Currently it says Untitled Document in blue. Just tap your backspace button and type in draw and then your name and then your teacher code. I'm going to put 5CA for Cassidy. But whatever your teacher code is, you're going to go ahead and type that in. Once that's typed in, go ahead and click OK. Now you'll notice your document was changed. You renamed it. What we're going to work on today is the drawing tool. If you go up to the line right above your toolbar, that's what we've been working with, is your toolbar. It'll say Insert, and we're going to go down to Drawing. Insert Drawing. When you do that, you'll get a new thing that opens up. There's lots of things that you can do. You don't have anything particular, like one thing that I want you to do today, other than to explore all of the tools. So you can create whatever you want. I don't care what color it is. I don't care what shapes you use. I just want you trying everything. I want you learning how this works. So I'm going to come up here to Shapes. When I tap on Shapes, it gives me a bunch of options. I can also do arrows. I can do callouts, little speech bubbles. There's math symbols that we can use to make an equation. I'm going to go ahead and pick a heart. Now when I tap on that, you'll notice that my mouse has changed into a little cross or a little T. That's going to ask me where I want to draw it. So when I push with my mouse, push and drag on my trackpad, I'll draw my shape. When I let go of the trackpad, the shape appears. Now, when I let go, it also has these different things up here. Your bucket is your fill color. I'm going to go ahead and change mine to purple. This is your line color. It is what outlines your shape. So when I tap on it, maybe I'll change it to yellow because I like the Vikings. The next one is your width. Maybe I want to make that. See how when I made it 8, the yellow outline got a lot bigger. You can also make it be dashed if you wanted. All right, so that's my heart shape. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some text in there. The T stands for text. When I tap on it, again, you see you get that cross shape. You're going to press and hold on your trackpad, and this is going to be my track box. Or my text box. You can start typing. I put Mrs. Vassar loves the Vikings. Now, once you have that typed, you can change the font. But first, we have to highlight it, just like we practiced the other day. You're going to come up with Arial. You guys know I like rock salt. I'm going to tap rock salt. And this little more button over here, has a bunch of other things. I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger. I'm also going to come and change my color. I'm going to make it yellow so that it matches. I'm also going to align it in the center. These are all things that we practiced the other day, but now we're practicing them in a Word document. So I like that right there, but I want to move it. So when I tap on it, the box comes up and you'll see that my mouse changes to that little cross sign. That'll allow me to drag my text box, and I'm going to put it right in the middle of my heart. Now, once I have my drawing like I want it, I'm going to go ahead and save and close. It's this blue button way up at the top. Save and close. Now, I've got my one document, or my one drawing in. I'm going to tap my return key or my enter key. And I'm going to go back up, insert, drawing. This time I'm going to play around with a different thing. I'm going to do a line. Now your lines have all different kinds of things that you can do. The scribble will let you draw freehand. The arrow lets you do arrows. And so you can really create whatever you want to today. You can create a person out of shapes. You can create an animal out of shapes. You could do a pumpkin or a jack-o'-lantern out of shapes. You could do anything that you want to do. It's your time to get to know this tool. Now, one thing, if you make a mistake, remember that back, that undo, that's your back arrow. Tap on that. It'll undo your mistakes. Okay? Go ahead, have a great time learning all about this tool. Again, you go to Insert and Drawing. Anything, you can make anything you want as long as it is school appropriate. Have fun, and I will see you guys next week.